Good morning. Woman next door said good morning to her. She'd had a shock, like somebody's spoken to her. Anyway, we're back in Beaumaris. It's not quite Beaumaris, it's not quite Llangford, it's in between. And it's a nice day. It's going to be a nice day today. I think the rest of the week's not looking too good. Don't know why I'm doing this on day work here, but yeah. So basically, I'll show you the job. We built this house last summer. I think I got that on my YouTube video. So a little walk around. Oh, little stuff like this that make a difference, you see. See that? That hasn't even had a clean or anything on it. That is how I finished it, yeah? So, yes, the brickwork is top notch. Weeples are all in. Renderer's done a bit of a mess with the weeples, but they are. They're not my fucking job. I've walked around here. So basically all I'm doing today is doing on the garage a gable end. So I'm looking at this for the first time since building it. So yeah, it's tidy enough. I don't know if them tiles, slates need something against them. With the fascia there, I don't know. Again, brickwork on point. Wow, look at that. Look at that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? It's like something out of an American film, isn't it? So that's what I'm building today. So topping that off, and how am I meant to get there? Surely needs to put scaffolding inside there for me. And plus this roof here. Do I need to build more before the roof, do I? Do I not? I don't know, I'll phone the joiner in a minute. So basically I've got that gable end, little gable end to do there. Finish this. I won't finish this today, don't I? And then we've got another job to go to, caravan park in Benllech, so I don't know what to do now. Do I go to Benllech? Got a meeting at 4:30 to have a look at an extension, so I don't want to be late today. A banger. What to do? Anyway, the company that has built this, they've decided to get another bricklayer in to do this garden room or whatever it's called. So let's go and have a look at that, shall we? Oh my god, it's so wet down here. Yeah. Yeah. Bit smudgy, but you know, not too bad. It's okay. Sean, pack the gear up, lad. We're out of here. So, just looking about here now. He did tell me, I haven't actually told him I'm coming today, although I've told the joiner I was coming tomorrow. Anyway, there's no blocks here. Nowhere I can see anyway. So, the sand, cement, I don't see any blocks. So I mean that's what, how much work do you reckon that is there? 3 hours? Probably 3 hours, 3-4 at most, not even that. And then this one, there's probably like a day's work pissing about between them two and stacking, but I don't know what's going on here. So I need to put a pattern or a roof on here. And then they've got blocks. The blocks, they've got some there, some down there. Yeah, okay, Sean, let's go. So we said we were leaving, but we didn't. After putting the camera down, I phoned the guy telling him that we weren't staying. He said, "Oh, I'm on the way, okay." So we found a little bit of blocks to get us going. We had to carry all them. So it's like, what, lunchtime now? I haven't had the break really after stacking. So show you, we've done this now. The side's all pointed. This side is to be pointed. And then the lads are just loading out over here now. Blocks to come. The alloy tower's been set. That'll do me after lunch. And then they've asked me to put 2 more course of brick on round that. So it'll be another visit. I'll finish these 2 little rakes here. So probably be back on Wednesday to do that. So I have to try and find some time in the schedule for it. What have we got for lunch today? Crispy battered chicken chunks with salt and pepper seasoning. Chicken. It's good. Tikka masala bake. Oh, look at that for a view. Just winning every day, ain't I? Underestimated this job. Caught me by surprise, really. And all that Sean's been saying.
No, I haven't.
Flat out, it is.
It's been him.
Fleet of G, Fleet of G.
That's been him.
Yeah, Sean?
No.
Fleet of G. Oh my god. I'm all over the shop. Can't believe this job has taken me this long. Oh, fuck it, that's good enough. Did I just say that? Oh, fuck, I had enough, you know. I had enough, yeah. Look. Fuck. I shouldn't be showing this. This is the dark side of me. Right, one more in there. What have we got here? That'll do, won't it? It'll do with. Oh, I cut that down. What have we got here? Oh. Where's my bevel? Keep that on. Still got the angle. Oh. He's taking the angle off. Oh, that'll do. What are we talking there now? 100 mil. I think. Fleet of G. We've had, how many mixes we had today, Sean? 3?
3.
3. I did one of them. Sean's done 2 of them. Sean told me that his was rubbish. It's the sand, isn't it? I had the good stuff off the top this way. I'm only pulling like Sean. Oh no, there's a bloody noggin in the way there. Oh, yes. And, still a bit small, isn't it? Oh my god, what time is it? I want to get out of here now, don't we? Mortar stinks of cat pee. Oh my god. I don't know if I can show this, you know. There's a side of me that I don't like. Brick. I don't think I'll be able to post this shot. I've had enough now. Had enough. Had enough. Had enough. Good morning. Oh, so nice and peaceful here. So this is the job. Bit of a little retaining wall here. Looks pretty simple. Quite nice here, isn't it? First block has gone in. What I've done, I've measured 3.6 from there to here. Scratch the concrete, and I put a 4-inch up right then just to take this little bit. So nice here, isn't it? Yeah, I think I might put my phone on silent actually and just enjoy the moment. Enjoy the moment, enjoy the day. Silence, no radio, just heavy breathing. say? Don't start.
Yeah.
Sean, tell me what's going on here.
You broke the bucket.
How's it broken?
You broke it.
Where's it broken?
On the handle.
Oh, how did that happen?
You broke it.
Powerhouse Francis broke it. So he's just come with some tools now. Where did you find that handle? That is the first time I've ever seen a bucket get repaired.
Well, you're gonna cry though, isn't it?
So there you have it. What time are we on? 12:02. We took the mixer. Basically, we're going to another job now in Llanfair Pwll, and there's a lot of stacking, take it from the front to the back. So I thought we'll do a mix of mortar here, so we don't have to clean the mixer in somebody's nice house. So we've got a full mix in the van in buckets, so I can do a little bit of block work and Sean can stack out. So we cleaned the mixer down here, and as we were going up I went over that way and he fell like an idiot. Anyway, this is the job. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Pointed the reveal and just top a few courses as a quick point. There you have it. See you in a minute. We're gonna go and get some food now because we haven't stopped really. And diesel. That's it. Oh, I had a phone call off the job in Llanfair. The crane's there today putting the steels, and the joiners there sorting the roof out, and the steels were perfect. So there you have it. Look in the house there, just came to the window and just felt like that, like he's happy to see us. So we got these to stack and a mix of mortar. However, this is what we've got for lunch. Subway, chicken and turkey, sweet onion, mayo, bit of salad and all that. Ready salted crisps and cookie. Every day, life is good. Yeah, they're gonna travel at home then. Right, so we've just done a little bit this afternoon. The deal with these facing bricks is they have to cobble over about 15mm so that it gets plastered to underside, yeah. And what I should have done is do the inside skin 15mm, made the cavity down below 15mm smaller, because I've had to kind of bring the block work out, so I've taken a bit of extra care to get it nice. So see you tomorrow.
residents on a street in Wellingborough in Northamptonshire say they have had enough of living with an enormous overground sewage pipe outside their front doors. The pictures of this are incredible. It's a temporary structure. It's 500 metres long. It's in Stanton Cross. You've got to imagine it's one of those big tubes that people slide inside at a water park. It's that kind of size, and it's longer as well. It's been installed to allow repairs to take place on a section of sewage pipe underground, because that was found to be leaking. So this 1 metre diameter temporary sewage pipe snakes round, over round, from a nearby pumping station, up a hill, round a corner, over the road, and then back into the ground. Anglian Water said the pipe was expected to be removed in March, but now it may not be.
Right. With all my years of laying bricks, right, this has to be up in the top 3, definitely top 5 of worst bricks ever. Why is that? I'll tell you. Because it hasn't rained for how long now?
Yesterday.
It didn't rain yesterday. No, it didn't rain at all. It hasn't rained in like days, okay? These have been covered. They're still damp. And they're like... It's hard to describe really, but they're just horrible to lay. Trowel wants to catch on everything. How is it looking so far? Plus, look at that, smudges white. So, I mean, there's not a lot of smudges, really, but you know. So, I think I'll have to get a sponge on it after, I think. Why? So there you have it. Working in the dark, nearly. Maybe like a couple of months ago it would have been pitch black by now. Are we ready to leave, Sean? It turned out alright in the end. Bricks aren't the best for pointing. They want a smudge, do you know what I mean? But no, I'm quite happy with that, to be honest.
Well, this side does need brushing.
This side needs brushing. Well, guess what? The horsehair brush has been in water, mate. See that in there? Right, take some battens off it. Look who it is. You know, the funny thing is, I've just ordered a load of these, yeah, with my logo and all that on them. Oh. You know, smart stickers, you know. Amazon, yeah. I might have to get another one. This is pretty much stuck to me now. State on that mixer. This is not my mixer. This is the mixer that was on site. And look at the state on that. Maybe one day mine, I can only dream of mine becoming this battered. Anyway, Sean's sorting the mix out. Joe is with us today, this morning. I'm taking my lad to Specsavers to get an eye test, and he needs to have eye drops in his eyes and all that, so this job was booked in for me today. But yeah, you can sort that out. So, come on then, Joe, let's see what the job is here. So I built that one last time I was here, that gave blend, and the joiners, it stinks of shit here, doesn't it? Joiners are put on a little low level roof there now, so we need to close the length on that. Might do that when I get back. And then Joe's job this morning is to lay these blue engineering bricks on this base that I didn't build. So whoever built it, it wasn't high enough. So he has covered the brickwork. There's a bit of lintel work to do there, is there? Yeah. So laser level bricks, 2 courses, easy peasy. Yeah. Right down there, please, Sean.
What?
Down there, please.
Hey, one sec.
You haven't put your boots on yet?
I know.
Oh, go on, Sean. Get down there, the wheel fell.
No.
So, when you're doing these Staffordshire Blues, right? You want to be using this on the end of the day with one of these, okay? So I've just done this side here. See the difference? The top 2 courses is what Joe's done. Look what's underneath it. Yeah? That's the difference. So I'll show you now. I'll set this up here, do a little section to show you. Do that. Okay. So it just cleans the brick, so you can see the bottom there. When it goes off, when it's like all dried, all this white cement stuff will be gone. You see the difference? I'll show you here now if it's dried out a little bit already. That's it. I'll show you it before I go anyway. Yeah, so I've just gone round now and you can see the difference from the bottom to the top. Just gone over that bit again, I have. Big difference. That's it for today. Some gable ends are done. They haven't got a lintel, cavity lintel. When I came here, was it Monday? I asked, have we got lintel for that? Yeah, lintel's here, okay. Lintel's not here this morning. I'm trying to look for it. Apparently they've chucked it in the skip. Nobody's owning up to it, they said. So I've put that. I found one concrete lintel, 6 inch by 4 inch, 1800. I've just put that in over a 1200 window on the inside skin, and he says he's going to brick up or block up the outside skin. If we had the gear, we'd have finished it today. So yeah, alright then, see you tomorrow. Good morning, welcome to Llangefni, welcome to Friday. Like some sort of cracker there, like some sort of stunt bum or bum fights, yeah. Fuck. So the job we're doing today is the front of this house. Literally, you've seen it on other videos. It's all the same, I'm just a robot on these sites. I don't know how the trench block gets so much crap on it. I think we're going to have some Colonel Corbel over here as well today. Set up the profiles there. Let's just see how much it is. So I've set the profiles at about 155. It's meant to have a 50mm cavity, but with the fire sock it wants to push the brickwork out, so you're always better off having a little bit bigger of a cavity with the fire sock. So we'll set up the line and see how much we have to cobble, because I guarantee you, yeah, it's going to be a lot. Disclaimer, bum fights is something that happened years ago where it doesn't sound what it is. It's where Americans got basically tramps, homeless people, bums they called them, paid them to fight each other with beer or whatever. It was a thing back in the day. So hello.
Hello mate, you alright?
How are you?
Good mate, yourself?
Yeah, good. All good here?
All good mate, yeah.
Yeah, looks good. So far so good, looks good. Yeah, you're happy, yeah?
Yeah, perfect mate, yeah.
You need anything off Sean? You're loading up again with
I
mortar?
will do in a minute, but
Okay, mate.
we'll do that together. Mate.
Good old Craig fucking carrying the crew over here.
You never take advice. Someday you'll pay the price. Oh no. I've seen it before, it happens all the time. Every girl you leave the world behind. You're digging for gold, you're blowing away. A fortune and feeling, but someday you'll pay. You're as cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice our love. You want paradise, but someday you'll pay the price. I know. I've seen it before. It happens all the time. You're closing the door, you leave the world behind. Digging for gold, you're blowing away. A fortune and feelings, but someday you'll
Oh, wow.
You know that you are.
Oh, what's up? What's the plans this weekend, Dolan? Come on now, Dylan. What are you doing this weekend?
I'm a bit camera shy, me, you know.
What are you doing? Where are you going? End of the day, pretty much nearly. I've just got a bit of stacking to do here, ready for Monday. And look at that. That is Llangefni. All in its glory. Llangefni. See you next week. What's happening next week? I'll tell you. Monday here on this. Tuesday we are in Menai Bridge. The roof is coming off a little low-level garage. They're doing a downstairs toilet and a utility there. So the joiner's taking the roof off on Monday. I've got one course of block, one course of brick and a wall plate to bed all the way around, and the porch. Dig a foot in where the garage door is, concrete it and build a little wall on Tuesday. Wednesday, job in Llanhonor, the roof, joiners there putting the roof on. So I've got just the cuts to do one gable end. I'm going to ask Jack and Ed if they can do my other two little gable ends. So Wednesday, and then I'm meant to be starting that big job on is it big? It's big enough on Thursday, Friday, for about a week's work. That is really, it's footings, so block on flats. It's footings to take a timber frame house. I've had a look at the plans and the drawings are, well, it's quite big, so I don't know, I haven't seen it personally yet. So then that's that. So hope you enjoyed this week with me getting slightly stressed out, put under pressure. Not really, did I? No. Have a good one. Hey, Sunday I'm going on my bike to Antir-Stiniog in Blaenau-Ffestiniog. So you pay 40 quid to go on like the downhill tracks there. The minibus with a trailer goes up and down all day, taking you from the bottom to the top, and you just go fly down. So got my full face helmet. I'm going to stick the GoPro on. I'm going to do a separate video for that, just because I'm going to go there now 3 times in a row to see how much I improve going on the downhill sections. So hopefully I don't break my neck, touch wood. Oh, can you imagine that? How would I get it for scaffolding? Need to get insurance, really. Any one of you out there, yeah, help me out here. Do you do insurance for, well, play rugby, mountain biking, stroke downhill mountain biking? Probably should get insurance now. Who do you use if you do? All right, thanks. Adios.